Hi there, welcome back. I have a little thrift haul. I went thrifting this past Monday and I got a few things, not a lot. It was double stamp day and sorry, just checking on where the little furry tyrant is. And it was double stamp day, so if you spent more than $5, you got a stamp on your card, and you actually get 2 stamps on Mondays. So I got 2 stamps on my card, and when your card is full, you get 20% off. So although I didn't get anything, it was yellow tag sale, and just about everything I got was green. Go figures. But that's all right. And some of them I've already taken off the price tag. I'll try and remember what I paid, but if I forget, I apologize. I found this it's a little reckoner, and I know, what do you need another reckoner for, Catherine? But come on, look how cute. I love these, and it's got little calendars in it. It's just a little pocket reckoner. This is what they used before the invention of calculators, and then of course cell phones that have a calculator in it. So they just make like a fun little extra weirdo page to put into a signature. It's just fun. They make a really cool background for tags, because even though that looks busy, it's actually quite neutral. So I couldn't say no to this. And on double stamp day, I didn't mind paying what they were asking for it. I didn't mind. So I got that. I got some paper. Again, I started getting into this stuff, and then I realized, oh, I should turn on my camera. So this, I paid this little bundle of, I guess it's graph paper. I liked it because it's a creamy color, but the grid lines are in sort of a beigey brown. So, and the back is completely, or maybe that'll get trimmed off. The back is sort of a creamy ivory color. So that's my kind of paper. So I want to say 59 cents. Can't remember. I found another bag of really pretty religious rosaries and things. So let's take a look through. Again, I already got into it, but that doesn't look religious. But I noticed right away that these were rosaries, so I thought, okay, I'm going to grab these. Not that I need more, but I just think that they're so beautiful and they're so pretty. The colors and the medallions on them, there's just something about them that I really, really enjoy. So this one's it says St. Teresa on it. So very pretty. You know I love red. So, oh, that's 2. Okay, hold on. Oh, that's beautiful. Very pretty. Is that St. Teresa again? It is. Funny thing was, I didn't find, you'd think I'd find these at my St. Vincent de Paul store in town. A little blue one. Isn't that pretty? I tried reading this with my magnifying glass and I cannot read it. So I'm not sure. But part of me, since these two are St. Teresa, I'm wondering if it's also St. Teresa. Now this is cool. This is what caught my eye mostly. I saw this through the bag. I think it's a bookmark. And it's the 10 Commandments. How cool is that? Maybe it's for your scriptures. And hold your spot in your scriptures. So you can put that on a page. Oh, like that. Oh, it can't be that hard to hold your spot. There we go. And then I like it. And it's and all 10 are there, so that's pretty cool. Another rosary here. Let's see. Tangled Mess. Yeah, I found these at my Mission Thrift store, not at my St. Vincent de Paul. Interesting. Because the Mission Thrift store is not run by the Catholic Church in town. I believe it is owned and run by the Dutch Christian Reformed Church, our local Dutch Christian Reformed Church. But I could be wrong, but I seem to recall. I certainly find a lot of Dutch books and such in the Mission Thrift store. Now I'm just seeing where she is. Sit, lie down. That's a good spot. She likes to try and sit right underneath my chair, and I know one of these days I'm going to roll right over her little paw. And so I'm trying to break this habit that she has of wanting to be under my chair. At first I thought she wanted to be under my desk, but it's not under my desk because I put her little bed under there. I wouldn't mind if she wanted to be under my desk. But no, it's the chair. She wants to be under the chair. So, let's see who this is. St. Teresa. Again, and another beautiful crucifix. Very pretty. Oh, this one's beautiful. Wow. That's very pretty. And it's still quite shiny silver. And yet, I don't know if you can see this. It's a Kmart tag. A Kmart price tag. $2.77. I don't recall. Now, it's been a long time since we've had a Kmart near where I live. I don't think there are anymore in Canada. I could be wrong on that, but I certainly know there aren't any near where I live anymore. Kmart's. They closed down when all the Zellers and Kresge's and all those closed down. Woolco. Walmart just came in and took over. Target tried for a little while and closed down. Kmart. Buying a rosary at Kmart. Okay, that one baffles me. Let's see here. Oh, that's pretty. Little cross. Oh, it looks like it must have been a necklace. There's a tiny hole right there. Very pretty. A necktie holder. It's plastic. Oh, not cute. I can't make out what it says. Pretty. These appear to just be little charms, but they're cute and will certainly get used. I like the leaves. I might use one or two of those leaves on the forest lore book that I'm working on right now. Go over to your place. Over there. You're not gonna... I'm trying to get under my chair again. You can't go under my chair, honey. Well, those were well worth it. But I'm going to have to go over and just start a binge watch of Book and Paper Arts. She does fun things. Beautiful artwork with old rosaries. Now she finds really amazing ones in France. But I'm certainly willing to give these a go. I think they're pretty. Yeah, I'm happy with that. There was one more thing. What was... Oh, this book. I found this book. I was hoping it was older than it is, but it's still very pretty. I like the colors. I think it would make a beautiful little journal. I love the colors of the papers. This is why when I first saw it, it's French, Jean Fille. When I first saw the coloring of these papers, I thought, oh, this is old. I was crossing my fingers, 1870s. Look at this. You can see where a little bug dug a little home inside one of the pages. And you can see his little doorway to get in there. He obviously made his way out to freedom in the spring, I guess. Cute. And always off topic, always wandering. Oh, look, a squirrel. 1916? I'm thinking 1916. Yes, 1916. Paris. Jean Fille. This one will be fun. That's a beautiful, it's a nice size. I like the leather spine with the bands on it. So that's it. It wasn't a very big thrift haul, but it was enough to satisfy a craving in me. So thanks for joining me. I hope you have a great rest of your day. And I will be hoping to tape again later this afternoon. What was I going to work on this afternoon now? Yeah, it's gone out of my head. Oh well, thanks for joining me. Have a great rest of your day. We'll talk soon.